Hello, Shrunkle Spurt here, and today we're having a good old squint at this wee beauty, the HP EliteBook X G2a. Advanced by AMD's Ryzen AI7 Pro 450 processor. It's an ideal everyday companion for business type people who are always on the go. So let's take a full tour of the HP EliteBook X G2a, see what it's all about. You can check out the link in the video description to bag your own or just find out more info. And a massive thanks to HP and AMD for sponsoring this video, keeping your lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! Now, if you travel a lot for work, then this EliteBook is going to be your best mate. Because I absolutely adore that slender, lightweight design. Seriously, when they delivered the box, I thought they'd forgot to put the actual laptop in, because it's crazy light, weighs just over a kilogram now. And that makes the EliteBook X G2a one of the most ultra-portable laptops that I've tested in 2026, and combined with the slender profile, means you can easily slip it inside of a backpack, a satchel, whatever, and lug it around all day long without even thinking about it. And this laptop sports a magnesium alloy chassis, which is reassuringly robust. While many of this laptop's various bits are made from more recycled materials compared with previous models. And you got a choice of colours as well, including Glacier Silver, Eclipse Grey or Atmospheric Blue. It's a smart, sleek looking finish, and mercifully this matte design means it doesn't pick up grubby fingerprints and smudges. So you know, my lunch of choice when I'm travelling for work is often a Greggs Steak Bake Special, but even after I've seen off a couple of them, with glistening fingers, it doesn't have any impact on that gorgeous surface. And hey, this may be a smart looking slender wee machine, but it's also tougher than a dozen Jason Stathams wearing concrete girdles. In fact, it's passed no fewer than 19 military standard 810H tests to prove what a proper hard case it is. It can handle shock, vibrations, extreme temperatures, a lot better than I can, that's for sure. And all this heatwave shenanigans, certainly I'll be the first one to give out long before the EliteBook. And when it comes to ports, you're pretty much sorted here as well. So despite that skinny chassis, HP has crammed on dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, as well as a third USB-C connection around the other edge, and all of those with DisplayPort 2.1 and power delivery support. You've also got yourself a legacy USB-A port, just in case, and a good bit of HDMI 2.1 as well. So plenty of options for hooking up to external monitors, projectors, whatever you need, as well as of course sticking a whole bunch of peripherals on there. Now, waking up the HP EliteBook X G2a quick as you like, you've got a fingerprint sensor built into that power button. So as you can see, all you've got to do is lift the lid, tap your digit, and you're straight in there in a matter of about 1.5 seconds. Or alternatively, this laptop also supports facial recognition. So again, you can just lift the lid, look at that camera, and boom, straight in, zero faff. Now, the HP EliteBook X G2a is advanced by AMD's Ryzen AI7 Pro 450 processor. And this boasts a faster CPU and GPU compared with earlier models. And these chipsets are certainly built for more demanding tasks, including proper beefy stuff like CAD work and a good bit of video editing as well, if that's your bag. And multitasking is also mercifully a breeze, because I usually have several apps open at once. You can have your email and messaging apps running alongside a good bit of Spotify, blasting your favourite tunes. You can have a few dozen tabs on the go in Chrome and all your creative apps running in the background all at the same time. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to have to switch it up to a bit of the happy hardcore now. Really drive up the energy levels for another long day. And HP's also offering faster memory options for the EliteBook X G2a. So for instance, my review model here has 32 gigs soldered directly onto the board, and that makes for significantly faster transfer compared with standard socketed memory, which again, absolutely essential for these more demanding tasks. And AMD's XGen Neural Processing Unit, NPU, is powerful enough to run even quite complex AI apps and features right there on your laptop. No need to rely on the cloud. The AMD Ryzen AI7 Pro 450 hits 50 tops when it's in full flow. That's more than enough to run the likes of Copilot Plus and various other Windows AI tools. Now personally, I find those AI tools particularly useful whenever I have to do an online meeting of some description, because as you can see, my studio, not the neatest and tidiest of backgrounds. I've also got this window right behind me, great big studio lights, which is less than ideal. So on a more basic level, what I can do is go into the Windows Studio effects and then hit background effects. And as you can see, that instantly blurs all of the guff behind me so people can just focus on my haggard, wrinkly face instead. So much better. Hey, if you want something a bit more advanced than that, then definitely check out Poly Camera Pro. Now this again has background effects, but it allows you to go a bit more crazy, select from all kinds of different options, including my favourite, just sticking yourself in an entirely different environment. But you know, why confine yourself to a cosy wee flat when you can enjoy a bit of the great outdoors? You've got some other great tools on here as well, the likes of Spotlight, which is particularly useful if you're in quite a murky room. It's pretty handy if you ever need to dive into a meeting in a hotel lobby or your local Weatherspoons. And you can even conduct the meeting upside down if you want to pretend that you're Spider-Man or something. And if your memory is a wee bit foggy, like mine, well, you'll probably love Recall. It's an AI-powered tool which can help to remember messages, websites, photos, basically anything you've interacted with on the EliteBook X G2a. And so, for instance, earlier today I was checking out this laptop specs on HP's website. I just asked Recall, how big is the SSD on that laptop I was checking out? And it's instantly taken me right to the snapshot of when I was looking at those specs. So I've got that information, copied it straight off, no worries. And all of these snapshots are protected by Windows Hello, so nobody else can access any of this info. And of course, you've got all the usual Windows AI tools stuffed in there as well, live captions, all that good stuff. And as always, HP has packed the EliteBook X G2a full of excellent smart security tools to help keep you safe and protect your privates from the moment you hit that power button, which is absolutely critical when you're forced to connect to public Wi-Fi networks on the move. And it all runs reassuringly and silently in the background, so zero effort required. So for instance, you've got HP Sure Start, which kicks in as soon as the laptop starts booting up, just to check that the BIOS hasn't been corrupted by malevolent forces. And if anything dodgy is detected, well, this can be swiftly overwritten with a fresh copy of the BIOS, which is stored away on a super secure separate chipset. And as if that wasn't enough peace of mind, AMD also has its own secure processor tech to ensure that the laptop boots safely. And if the worst happens and your OS becomes corrupted, you've got HP Sure Recover, which is like a built-in flux capacitor, can rewind time, get you back to a healthy working state. Your web browsing shenanigans are nice and secure thanks to HP SureClick, which can actually isolate every individual tab on your browser to ensure that nothing dodge goes on. And then there's AMD's Shadow Stack feature, which helps to prevent malware attacks from naughty scammer types trying to take over your laptop, just to make sure they haven't sneaked any malicious code on there without you realizing. While HP's SureSense provides another layer of protection from malware too. As for the camera, well, you've got HP's usual privacy camera tech on here, so that 5-megapixel webcam can be covered at any point with a quick flick of this privacy switch. And then boom, it's as if you don't even exist. And this laptop also comes with built-in presence detection. And this is really handy for a couple of different reasons. First of all, this laptop can actually hibernate itself if it detects that you've walked away and forgotten to lock it. But even smarter than that is the onlooker detection feature. So this laptop's camera can actually pick up if some nosy Parker is having a bit of a crafty peek at whatever you're doing on your laptop, and then can immediately alert you to the fact so you can give them a ruddy good telling off. And you know, it's all the sort of protection that hopefully you'll never even have to think about. But all the same, it's just reassuring knowing that it's on there silently ticking away in the background, keeping you safe and protected. And this EliteBook's 14-inch OLED screen is a bit of a stunner. It's a 16:10 tandem display, so this actually stacks a pair of RGB layers in a single panel. This helps to boost the color range for impressively lifelike visuals, which of course particularly helpful for all of those creative tasks. And this sort of design also helps to extend the lifespan of the panel, means there's less risk of burn-in. And it also helps to lift the brightness as well. So for example, if we've got these rather fierce, super hot studio lights beaming right off that panel, this thing's not even on peak brightness at the moment. There we go, that's boosted all the way up to the 100% level. So yeah, it gets super bright on that top level, and thanks to the design of that display, complete with an anti-glare coating, you've got absolutely no issues with visibility when using this thing outdoors. It's a 3K resolution panel as well, so those visuals nice and crispy. Maxes out at 120Hz refresh, and you've got variable refresh rate support as well. You've actually got a quad speaker setup built into the skinny chassis of the EliteBook X G2a. And the speaker grills are mounted either side of the keyboard, so that audio is blasted right at your face. The likes of vocals come through nice and crisp and clear, so again, perfect if you're editing video or just doing a lot of video chats online. Now, as for that keyboard, well, HP has completely redesigned it for this generation of EliteBook. And this is super comfortable to type on with clear key definition for touch typing, thanks to the ever so slightly spherical keycaps. And if you find you hammer this keyboard a bit too hard over the years, well, no worries, you can actually rip out the entire board and replace it with a fresh new one if you need to. And as for that all new supersized touchpad, well, look at it, it's ruddy massive. Runs pretty much the full depth of that palm rest, so again, super comfy and easy to use. And the HP EliteBook X G2a offers all-day battery life as well, thanks to the larger 68 Wh battery stuffed inside. Again, quite an impressive feat given how bloody skinny this thing is. And for this generation, you've even got an even smaller GAN adapter. This thing's dinkier, it's lighter, and it pumps out less heat as well, just making the HP EliteBook X G2a even more portable. And of course, you've got HP's usual smart battery manager modes stuffed on here. So you can optimize the battery performance, you can maximize the battery health management just to make sure that battery life stays strong even after years and years of use. You can also schedule the charging, all kinds of stuff. And with the smart charging tech, you'll find you'll get approximately 50% battery life back with just 30 minutes at the plug. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a delicious wee nutshell is the HP EliteBook X G2a. A nifty, highly portable business laptop, perfect for anyone who needs to work when they're constantly on the move. Now, as I say, you'll find more info on this laptop down in the video description below. You can also bag your very own EliteBook. Oh, and by the way, if you order direct from the HP store, you'll enjoy 3 full years of premium next day on-site support, as well as a full year of HP Wolf security support. A massive thanks again to HP and AMD for sponsoring this video, keeping your lights on at TechSpert Towers. And please do subscribe, ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a really wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everybody, love you!